Very good afternoon to all of you.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon. So, now, yesterday, we were learning. Just a minute. Yesterday, we were talking about formal letter. Formal letter. We have reached up to the body of the letter. We have reached up to the body of letter. I told you to draw how many lines? First 3 lines. Second paragraph, I told you to draw 5 lines. Third paragraph, I told you to draw 1.5 lines. This is body of letter. Body of letter. See, in the formal letter, its body should have 3 paragraphs. 3 paragraphs. It is must. 3 paragraphs is must. First paragraph. It is introductory. Introductory. In 3 sentences, you are introducing yourself. I am so and so, wish to introduce this topic to you. For example, we are talking about COVID protocol. So I am so and so to inform you about the people who are not following the COVID protocol in our residential area. You introduce the topic and yourself. Second paragraph, answer to question. Answer to the question. What is answer to the question? The whole answer is answer to the question. But you see, in the question paper, in the question of letter writing, there will be certain hints to you. What you have to suggest to the editor. What is your suggestion? Here, you are informing the problem and your suggestion. Your suggestion. This is the content of the body. Content of the body. Third paragraph, conclusion with an request. Generally, this will be same. So I kindly request you to take the necessary action. Or so I kindly request you. When you make a request, add the word kindly. kindly request you in formal letters. So I kindly request you to do the needful. So I kindly request you to publish the article in your magazine as early as possible. I kindly request you to take necessary action. This is called conclusion, conclusion of the paragraph. Conclusion of the paragraph. So, body of the letter you can write with 5, 6, or 7 lines. 5, 6, 7 lines. Introduction, 3 lines. Closing, 2 lines. So the body of the letter will be maximum 12 lines. 12 lines means how many words, Achut?
Sir, one line means like 7 words.
I don't want any explanation. Total how many lines? You calculate, man. You are a mathematician. Math computer, isn't it? You can make your math. Oh, you are writing there. Man, you tell the multiplication table. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, isn't it? 12 table you should know. 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24, 12 threes are, how many lines I told?
12.
12 lines. Multiplication table of 10. Easy method. Add 0. 120 words. Very easy, man. 12 tens are 120. So, 120 words. And your letter writing will be, write a letter in 100 to 120 words. Clear now? Clear now? That is why restriction of the lines are there. If you write more than these all, it will be an essay. Essay. So usually formal letter content of the words will be 100 to 120 words. So maximum you write 12 or 13 lines. You need more lines in the body, in the middle paragraph. This you always restrict 3 and 2, 5. The rest you include here. Clear now? Clear now? So 12 to 13 lines body of the letter. Remember these lines. I will come to the point now. Calculation I will come. Now, after the body of the letter, next comes closing. That is called closing. Letter has 5 parts. The last part is closing. Closing begins with thanking you. After the conclusion line, leave a line. Leave a line. Then thanking you. Thanking you. You see, comma. Here is in letter writing, there shall be no reading by the teacher. As many readings are there, so many minus marks. So you should be, that is why I am taking this much time for a letter writing. You have studied in class 5, you have repeated in class 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Last 6 years you have studied formal letter. Still, you are committing mistakes. What is the reason? Without knowing the details you have studied letter writing. You are given, you studied. Here, see, this closing part is the most dangerous place. Here, thanking you, T is capital. But Y should be small letter. If you write here capital Y, there will be a round, red round minus mark. For thanking you, T should be capital, Y should be small letter. After that, again, yours faithfully. Yours faithfully. Yours faithfully. Danger zone again. Y capital. No apostrophe. F small letter. 3 mistakes usually happens here. Here, Y should be capital. For the yours, there shall be no apostrophe. Faithfully, F should be capital. 3, 4, 5 days, 3, 4 days before. The same thing I explained in plus 2. Same thing I explained in plus 2. With certain particular things. Still I got 3 students again committed this portion mistake. I minus a mark. Here I bring to you, how do you commit mistake here? I will show you. I will show you. How do you commit mistake? See, there are some students who are very excellent in writing and arts, artistic writing. And they write here, you see, they write like this. You see, Aishwarya, come up on the stage. Any mistake here?
Y is not capital.
Y is not capital. Y is not capital. Oh, then any more mistake?
F, the bottom part of F should be little more down.
F. Any more mistake? See, what she told is correct. Y is not capital, F is not capital. You should say, sir, this is small letter. This is not small letter. You see, when you were learning in LKG, UKG, teacher might have given you a notebook, writing book, cursive writing book. Have you studied? 4-line notebook. You see, 1, 2, 3, 4. I did not study cursive there in the school. I studied in 1960s in government school. There was not a notebook. Only slate is there. Only slate and pencil. This I learned by myself. So this is the 4-line English writing note. When you write a capital, it should touch the top line. This one. So if you write not in the size, some people are thinking bigger size, no, writing style. So if you want to write the Y in capital, it should begin from here like this, you see. This is Y capital. Clear now? And the rest part, you see, now you see, now here Y is capital. The same Y I write again. You see, same style Y, but this is small letter. Clear now? Here it is, you see, 1 line, 2 line, 3 line. Here 4th line. It is small letter. 1 mistake. Clear now? Another one. She told F. Again I draw 4 lines. Clear now? The capital letter F is written like this. You see? This is capital letter F. You made a stylish F. You made direct curve into smart curve. You see? Clear now? This is your F. This is your F. So what is this? This is capital. You see? 1 line, 2 line, 3 line, 4 line. This is capital letter. Clear now? If you want to make it F small letter, it should start from here and it should reach here. And the crossing should be here. Faithfully. You see? You see? This is small letter. If you write like this, 1 mistake, 2 mistake, 2 minus mark. Clear now? Clear now? This is why I told you, letter writing, you should be very, very careful. If I am valuing your board paper, you will lose a mark. Sometimes you may get the mark, but the thing is that you should be careful to keep your mark safe. Okay. Now we are coming to the previous page. Okay. So yours faithfully. Yours faithfully. After that, now clear now? You see, thanking you, yours faithfully. Next is signature. In the question paper, you are given a name. What is Sangeet? So you have to sign with the same name, that is Sangeet. How do you do the signature? Write the same name in a slanting way. Sangeet. Clear now? Slanting position. Underline. Give 2 dots. This is your signature. This is your signature. After the signature, you have to write your name, the same name, in capital letters. Sangeet. And it should be in brackets. It should be in brackets. Clear now? This is the structure. Suppose, now my question comes. Suppose, attend, there is no name in the question paper. Address is given. Name is not given. You are residing at 101A National Highway, NH Road, Kanpur. Name is not given. Then what will you write in the from address? Anyone? What will you write in the from address?
Triplex.
Triplex. You will write triple X. Then 101, sorry. Triple X. Can you say, why did I rub it?
Alignment.
Alignment. Yes, very good. My alignment has gone a little right. That is why I rubbed it. 101 NH Road, Kanpur. You see, this is the from address. If this is the from address, what should be my signature? Again, say, tell me. What will be my signature? Triplex. Triplex. That is correct. You see, 1, 2, 3, underline. This is my signature. Or one more choice is there. You can write here, put a bracket, and write there signature. either this one or this one. When you put triple X underscore 2 dots, don't put the bracket. When you write a signature, the word signature should be in brackets. Attend now. If you are writing this signature, what will be written at the bottom? What shall you write after the signature?
Name.
What will you write?
Triple X.
With alphabet, capital alphabets, you have to write N, A, M, E. This also in brackets. Now this is right. This is right. Clear now? Clear now? All of you, attend once again. If a name is given in the letter, you will write the name in slanting position and underscore, underline, and 2 dots. That will be your signature. Don't do this kind of signature, no, it's a name only. After that signature, put a bracket and write the name in capital letters. Clear now? This is the format. Suppose in the letter, name is not given, but address is given. Then in from address, you use triple X as name. And in the signature place, you can write the word signature in bracket. You see here, first letter is capital, then small letters. But next line in bracket, you have to write NAME in capital. Are you clear? Is it clear for you? Mehak. Where is Mehak?
Yes, sir.
Is it clear for you?
Yes.
Okay, no doubt.
No.
No doubt. Okay. So if Mehak is clear, then all are clear, isn't it? Okay. Okay, now. So this is formal letter. After this, now we have made the box like this. Now, after the signature, again, leave a line. Next line, you cross. Clear? Letter writing should be, must be done like this. And a letter should be completed in one side of the paper. One side shall be used, no 2 sides needed. There will be space. I am going to prove that also. You will get in board exam papers 2 sides, school paper 1 side. I am going to show you whether you will be able to finish. In some students are saying, sir, this much things, leaving line and all these things, we will not be able to complete. You see, what should I? This is your page. You see, top line is left. From address, how many lines? 3 lines from address. Then you left 1 line, isn't it? 1 line. Then you wrote to address, how many lines? 3 lines. Then you left 1 line. Clear now? Then, dear sir, 1 line. Then you wrote next line, subject, 1 line.
So you missed the date.
Date. Oh, sorry. Thank you. So 3 from address, left 1 line, date 1 line. She wants to put me in trap. That's why. So 3 from address, 1 leaving lines, date, again left a line, 2 address 3 lines, then left a line. Let us see, Aishwarya. Okay. Then dear sir, one line. Then subject, one line. Isn't it? Then I told not to leave the lines. Then 3 lines, first paragraph. 7 lines, second paragraph. 2 lines, third paragraph. Then leave a line. Then thanking you. Yours faithfully. Signature. Name. Leave 1 line. Draw 1 line. These many lines you need, isn't it? Let us see how many mathematics, maths computer students. 3, 4, 5, 6, 9, 10, 11, 12, 15, 22, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. 31. Your answer scripts contains 30 to 31 lines. The school, isn't it? Count it. Achud, how many lines are there?
31, sir. 31.
31 lines are there on the answer script. You need only 31 lines. So, evaluation is easy for me. Because if you have crossed the page, that means you have written something unwanted sentences. Clear now? You have written some unwanted sentences. So you need only 1 full sheet that goes to public exam paper, 2 sides, both sides. Clear now? So I have proved. So you can write in 1 line. There are exception proof, this wakil, the advocates say, exception proves the law. The Indian constitution says, don't kill anybody. Then exception says, at the fear of your death, somebody is attacking you, you are going to be killed. At that time, for your self-protection, you may break the rule. Isn't it? This is what is called exception proves the law. In this way, there are some matanyas here. Matanyas. Who are matanyas? Pumpkins. There are some pumpkins. Those who have very large letters. Ladies' fingers and pumpkins. They may write like this. A, B, like this. Some are like writing like this. Isn't it? I am talking about these people. These people may cross the page. Clear now? These people may cross the page. Now, warning for them. Improve your handwriting. And if you cannot change your handwriting, and if your letter is crossing 1 page, use careful. After the 3rd paragraph, on the next page, don't write only thanking you, yours faithfully, and signature. No. That you have to be very careful. If the page is crossing to the next page, write on the top 1 line of the closing part, or the last 2 lines are there, isn't it? That you write here, then you write thanking you. Because before putting the signature, part of the content should be there. Then only that letter is valid. This you should be very careful. On the 2nd page, don't write the closing part, yours faithfully and signature alone. Don't write. There should be 1 line on the top. Clear now? This is about formal letter. Letter is over. I have taken 2 sessions for explaining letter writing. Even after your 6 years of studies, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 6 or 7 years you have studied formal letter writing. Still, I could see a number of mistakes. Even in +2, I see mistakes. That is why I have spent this much time for formal letter writing. This is a compulsory question in +1 and +2 and in class 10. So nobody shall make any mistake in this matter. Clear now? So I wind up the session. Then tomorrow, in the next class, we will see response to the advertisement and how to write biodata. Clear now? You have already written biodata in portfolio. Clear now? When we study biodata, you will be able to know what are the mistakes you have done there. Okay? Or drawbacks. I won't say mistakes, drawbacks there. Clear now? Okay. I wind up the session.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, welcome.